Hello, friends. Welcome to Concept Clarity of Physics. Today's topic is about light. In this session, we will see how light reflects when it hits upon mirrors. In the subsequent session, we will learn about refraction. Okay, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we're going to see in reflection, we are going to see about light, revise. We're going to see about laws of reflection. We're going to see about mirrors. और कौन से mirror देखेंगे? We will see plane mirror, concave, convex. Okay, again we are going to see conventions, ray rules. And then based on the ray rules, we will form the images and then see the formulas in this session. Okay. After this session finishes, then we will see about refraction in the next session. Okay, what is light? Can you tell me about light? Properties of light? No, it's an electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic. No, there are two parts.
Yeah.
Electro and magnetic. That means it has electric field and it has magnetic field also. ऐसे जाते हैं ना electric field ऊपर and magnetic field sideways. So it goes like this and it propagates in the forward direction. No, it propagates in the straight line. And because it travels in the straight line, it is called as a transverse wave. और speed of light क्या होती है? In medium vacuum, it is 3 into 10 raised to power of 8 meter per second. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Other two, I can see your videos. Please turn on
Yes.
video. Okay, next we'll see about reflection. What is reflection of light? Definition. Can anyone tell me what is the reflection of light? Type in the chat what is the
When
reflection.
light gets reflected.
Light gets reflected means it bounces back, no? What happens? Okay. Bouncing of light when it hits the polished surface. And this polished surface, we are going to study about mirrors, you know? And law of reflection is, what is the law of reflection? The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.
Reflection.
And all of them, incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, all lie in the same plane. Okay, so we have these three types of mirrors. You know, in our syllabus we have these three mirrors. This is a plane mirror, right? This is a plane mirror. This is a concave mirror. This is a convex mirror. Plane mirror polished on this side. On the right hand side it is polished. So the ray of light coming incident, I is the angle of incident, and this is normal. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So same, all these are applicable for concave and also applicable for convex also. How do you identify concave and convex? Type in the chat. How do you identify concave and convex? The concave reflecting side is inside. Concave reflecting side is inside. And convex reflecting side is outside. Outside the sphere, no? So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection for both the spherical mirrors. These are spherical mirrors. What are these? What are these spelling?
Same plane.
Spherical mirrors, right?
Yes, sir.
What is C? What is C here? C is the
Curvature.
center of.
Center of
This is also center of curvature. Both center of curvature is inside the sphere, right? For a concave, center of curvature is on the reflecting side. For a concave, reflecting side is on the inner side, no? So the center of curvature is on the side of the reflecting side. But for a convex, the center of curvature is on the polished side, right? And this is the pole. Pole is on the surface of the mirror. Pole is on the surface of the mirror. For concave also, pole is on the surface of the mirror here, pole. And in between the pole and the center of curvature is the focus. In between the pole and the center of curvature for convex is also focus. And the line joining the center and the pole is principal axis. Okay, these are some of the terms you need to remember always. Center of curvature, focal point, pole, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and principal axis. Now ray rules.
Yeah.
Ray rules. First, concave mirror. There are 4 ray rules for both convex and concave. There are 4 ray rules. Okay. First is the parallel ray rule. First we'll say parallel, then we'll see focus, then we'll see center, then we'll see pole. PCFP. PCFP, okay. Ray coming parallel to principal axis will reflect through focus. Ray coming through focus will reflect parallel to principal axis. And then through center will reflect back on the same line. Pole se वापस. Now we'll see convex. Same thing on the other side, reflecting side. On the outer side, ray comes and it will diverge. It will diverge as though it is coming from focus. And if this ray of light is as though going through the focus, it appears to go through the focus, it will diverge parallel to the principal axis. If this ray of light, it appears to go through the center, then it will reflect back on the same line. And here, if it hits pole, it will reflect back from the pole. These are the 4 mirror ray rules. Now, sign convention for concave and convex. Sign conventions, one thing about convention is about from where the distances have to be measured. Distances will have to be measured from pole, always. And the object is located on the reflecting side. For a concave, the object is on the right side, that is on the curved side. And for a convex, the object is on the outer side, that is on the left side.
Yeah.
Now, distances, if you're measuring from pole for concave, it is against the incident ray, so it is negative here. And along the incident ray, it is positive. From pole here, this side, it is positive, and from here, it is negative. For convex, from this side, it is positive, and left side, it is negative. Okay. Distance measured against incident ray is negative. Along incident ray is positive. Now height. We'll see height now. Height. Principal axis के ऊपर, if it is above principal axis, it is positive. Here also height, if it is above principal axis, it is positive. And below principal axis, negative. Okay. So now another thing you need to remember, we need 2 rays for forming the image. If we have to form an image, we need at least 2 rays. And when rays of light actually meet, it is a real image. If rays of light appear to meet, then it is virtual image. Okay, I hope you remember this. We'll go next. Focal length formula. Focal length formula for concave. Concave is a converging mirror. That means all the rays converge at the focus, right? All the rays converge at the focus. And for a convex, it is a diverging mirror. So it diverges out from the outer surface. This is the focal length formula for both the spherical mirrors. And for a plane mirror, it is infinity. Focus and radius is infinity. Very important. Remember this, okay? For plane mirror, focus and radius is infinity. Now image formation. So now we know we need two rays to form the image. Two rays. We need to take any ray rule. Either we need to take parallel and focus or center. Right? Pole will forget. Pole will be difficult to measure the angle. But in one case, we will take pole also. Okay. So now here, object is at infinity. Then the image will be formed at focus. It will be real, diminished, and inverted. RDI, RID, whatever you want to remember it as. Okay. Now, if the object is at a finite distance from the center, then we need two rays now again. One ray is parallel and one ray is to focus. Now, parallel will go via focus, reflection, and this, whatever it comes, true focus will reflect parallel. So we got these two rays. Now, image is formed between focus and center. Right? Now, for the third one, can you tell? Image is at, object is at center. Where the image will be formed? Can you tell where the image will be formed? On the chat?
On the center.
On the chat, where will the image be formed? Other people? Video तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है. Are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Where the image will be formed here?
On the center only.
Very good.
C only.
Center.
Very good. And here now, when the image is between focus and center,
Beyond center of course.
Beyond C.
beyond C. Very good. It will be real, magnified, and inverted only, right? And now when the
Inverted.
Yes.
object, when the object is here, then when the object
At
is
infinity.
At infinity.
at infinity,
Yeah, infinity.
it will be real and highly magnified. Okay, highly magnified. Okay, it will be inverted. And when the object, when the object is between
Yes.
focus, then
Behind the mirror.
Behind the mirror.
Behind the mirror.
behind the mirror, right? It will be virtual.
Yeah.
Means
What's
it will,
the mirror?
the rays will appear to meet somewhere, in the dream. So it will be formed magnified and erect image. Okay. Now for convex only two rules, only two image cases, One is parallel rays will diverge and appear to meet at focus. Other is if the object is at a finite distance from the pole, then what will happen? It will again diverge. Two rays are needed. Both will diverge. And when you draw them backward, it will appear to meet backward and form an image between pole and focus. The image is formed between pole and focus. It will be, what will it be? Virtual, diminished, and erect. Virtual, diminished, and erect.
Right.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is tabular.
Yes, sir.
You can take screenshot of this and remember. F is focus point. C is center. C is center here. At center is formed at center. Okay, this arrow indicates means in between infinity and center, in between focus and center. That time image is formed between infinity and center. Okay, it will be enlarged in the last three cases. Okay, so it is you can just remember this. Okay, tabular. So if you remember for concave you can form, either you can make an enlarged image or diminished image also. It is a magic mirror. It can make diminished, it can make small, it can make you small, it can make you big also. It can make you ulta and it can make you seedha also. You can stand erect as well as you can stand ulta using this mirror. Right? Right now? But for a
Yes, sir.
convex mirror, what will happen? Always erect and diminished. Okay. For concave mirror, we use it in headlights, car headlights, right? And dentists use it to see your teeth, to remove your teeth. If cavity is there, if you eat too much chocolate. And here for shaving, for my shaving, I need a concave mirror so I can see big image of myself so that I can be careful while shaving. And convex mirror is used for car rear view mirror so that you can see a wide range of objects, small objects. Small objects will take the space of the mirror. Okay. And you will be able to see it Sida. You will be able to see it erect. If you use concave, then you'll have to bend your neck. Upside down, you'll have to bend your neck and see all the images. Okay. What are the two formulas? Mirror formula and magnification formula. In mirror formula, you use positive sign for mirror formula, and magnification you use negative whenever you use V and U. Okay. F is focal length, V is image
Yeah.
distance, U is object distance, HI is height of image, height of object, and same thing V and U is image distance and object distance. Clear? Some other time we will do problems also online. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
next session we will meet soon. In after, we'll take 5 minutes break and I'll start the next session. 5 or 10 minutes.
10.
And
10.
10.
Next we are going to start about refraction. Okay. Refraction we are going to start about. Refraction we are going
Reflection.
to talk about lenses and glass. Okay. Refraction. Break 10 minutes. That means on my watch. On my watch, current time is 4:25. So we will meet at 4:45. Sorry, 4:35. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4:35. Join करना. Bye.